In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the message we couldn't confirm it's you on PayPal. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So if you're trying to log into your account on PayPal on your phone and you receive the message that says we couldn't confirm it's you, the problem is maybe it's because of your internet connection or something with your phone. So what you want to do first is go back and go to your settings. Now you want to make sure that you're connected to a good and strong internet connection. So if you don't have any good Wi-Fi connection, you may try and switch to your cellular data connection. The next thing that you can do is go to your general settings, go to software update, and make sure that your phone is running the latest version. Now you want to go back again, go to your App Store or Play Store, and make sure that your PayPal application is updated to the latest version. Now, the next thing you can do is simply reset your network settings. So here in the general settings, scroll down and select transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, and tap on reset network settings. After resetting, restart your phone and try to log in again. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.